So it's the 2nd of June, and we've reached that point in the season where some of my rhododendrons have stopped flowering and the flowers have started to fade a little bit. And as you can see on this rhododendron, they've completely faded and the plant's looking a little bit untidy. So I'm going to be deadheading this today, and I'm going to show you the right way to deadhead them so that the following season you get lots of extra good new growth and lots of nice blooms. So this deadheading method ensures that your plant's going to look its best the following season. So basically you can see obviously where the flower was. You can see all the dried up browning flower petals that are falling off, but if you go down to the bottom of where the flower was, you'll see you've got this little kind of orange banded bit here, and then either side of that you've got a little shoot there. There's another shoot here. It's quite a big shoot coming off that side. That's basically going to be the new growth on which next year's flowers are going to grow. So the aim of the game is to carefully snap that bit off, being careful to leave the new growth. So if you accidentally, and I have done it loads of times, if you accidentally snap the new growth off, then effectively you've stopped the next lot of flowers from coming through the following year. So we'll just find another one as an example. So yeah, down in here you can see, if I move that away, I'll just move that out of the way there, you can see where the old flower was and the new shoot coming through there. So again, want to just carefully snap that bit off, and you can see that snapped the flower bud off, leaving the two new shoots still on there. So that's essentially what you do. It's quite a time consuming process doing it, but it does leave the shrub looking nice and clean and tidy, and as I said, it does promote new growth, and you should have a nice tidy rhododendron with lots of flowers on the following season. So there we are, all the spent flower buds have been removed, and you can see it's kind of made it look a little bit neater and tidier now, and you can sort of see where the new growth's coming through. New growth there and over there, and you can see where I've snapped it off just above that because we don't want to snap that off. So yeah, that's all looking a bit neater and tidier, and it'll be another year unfortunately until they flower again, but having deadheaded it like that, hopefully it does mean that it will look stunning again next year. So I've got my bucket of spent flower buds, and I'm just going to pop over to the other side of the garden now where there's a little rhododendron in a pot, and I needed to do the same. And again, you can see down here that orange banded bit that you need to kind of snap it off at, and just below you've got your buds there forming the new growth which will carry next year's flowers. And there we are, that's all deadheaded as well, looking nice and neat and tidy. You can see we've got some fresh new growth there, little bud here which is going to create another shoot of new growth. So that should look nice next year as well. Going to need to put it in a new pot soon, I think, because it was only in this small pot as a temporary measure. So yeah, hopefully that was useful to you, and I'll see you again next time.